Now we will discuss about the method overriding. So overloading we discussed. Overloading is same name but different parameters. Okay. So what is method overriding? Okay. Consider you have a class A, and in the class A you have one method which is S method you have. Okay. And you have a class B, and this also has the class, this also has the S method. Okay. And both these classes are in the inheritance. Inheritance means all the attributes of this A are available in this class B. So how you can achieve this inheritance is using the extends. So extends A. So whatever is available in A, we want to have it in the B class as well. So we will inherit the class A. So how we inherit the class A? Extends A. So this is how we can inherit. So in inheritance, if you have parent class, so this is your parent class, right? So this is your parent class and this is your child class. Yes, this is comment I'm writing. So this is your parent class, this is your child class. In the parent class, you have a method with the same number of parameters, same name, and in the child class also you have same method with the same number of parameters. So that is overriding. Overriding is having the same name and same number of parameters. Just you are overriding it. Okay. So why you override? Suppose this S method is performing some operation that is based on the attributes of the class A. Suppose class A is having only one attribute and based on that it will perform. And class B will have some more attributes and all the A attributes are automatically present here because it is inheriting with the extends keyword. So you have available in the child class. So whatever it has integer A. So this integer A is already available in class B. I no need to declare. Now integer B I will declare. So now B will have the two variables integer A, B. So this method I want to use for multiple elements or the variables that we have in the class B. So based on the need of class B can override the same method having the parent class. So overriding is having same name and same number of parameters. So what is overriding? Methods can have same name and same number of parameters. So that is method overriding. So if this is not in the inheritance, suppose you are not inheriting, so then class A and class B are independent. So when they are independent, they can have any methods, right? Any number of methods or any method, even though same also, because duplicate error when you get when you are writing the same method. Okay, suppose you are writing same S method again in the class A, so it will be duplicate, so you will not be able to write it, right? Duplicate error you get. But if there is no relation between class A and class B, if there is no inheritance, for example, so there will be no overriding, right? So it is not your overriding. Both the classes are independent, they can have any method, they can have same also, right? And if you create an object of B, you will call S method. If you create an object of A, this S method will be called. So there is no any linking between these, so there is no overriding. So overriding is only when you have the inheritance. If there is no inheritance, that will be simple classes, and classes can have anything, right? It is independent of other class. Okay, so in the same class, you cannot have the method with the same name, same parameters, but you can have a method with the same name, same number of parameters in the child class. So that is method overriding. What is overriding? Having, so we are overriding the definition of this class. Okay, whatever the implementation this method has in this class, we are overriding, we are giving our own meaning to that method, so which is okay. Okay, so what is inheritance here? Now we will try to understand what is inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheriting one class properties to another class. So it can be like what you are inheriting, attributes and methods, everything. So the A and S method, you can have it in the class B also automatically. That is available now in the class B because of this extends keyword. So extends will be used to inherit. Okay. So extends keyword is used